I'm gonna pick blue!
Watch out, Gus! You better run! I'm gonna get you with this blaster!
Give me that yummy gummy! I'm Gus the Gummy Gator. Hey there, little gators! Today, we're gonna be playing the Don't Press the Wrong Button Challenge! And I have my friend here, Combo Panda!
Hiya, Gus!
Hiya, Combo! Alright, so the first thing we have to do is press a button! Who wants to go first?
Oh, me!
Alright!
I'm gonna press this one! Woo, yeah!
Yay! My turn! I'm gonna hit the green one! I like the green one! Yay! Your turn!
I'm gonna press this purple one! Combo Bunga! Yeah!
Yay! Uh-oh! There's only one left! The orange button! Oh no! Oh, I pressed the wrong button! Oh no! What's gonna happen to me?
Here we go, Gus! Get ready! 3, 2, 1!
Make it stop! No! Oh no! Okay. Let's go again. I want to win this time. Okay, it's my turn. I pick green. Yay! Your turn.
Which one should I pick now? Let's go with this one! Yeah! Combo Bunga!
Yay! Okay, well this time I'm picking blue.
Yes!
Yay! Your turn to pick, Combo.
Oh no! Only one more button! That means I have to pick orange!
Go ahead!
3, 2... Oh
Whoa! Looks like you lost, so you have to smell the slime!
no! Oh! Okay, I guess I'll do it. Woo-wee! P.U. that stinks!
Is it really that bad? Ew, that's yucky! Wow, that was fun. I feel like I'm gonna win.
I don't know about that, Gus. I think I'm going to win.
All right, my turn to go. Let's see. Orange.
Yeah!
Yay!
Oh, which one am I gonna press? I'm going green! Yeah!
Okay. My turn. I'm gonna pick blue!
Uh-oh!
What's gonna happen to me now?
Watch out, Gus! You better run! I'm gonna get you with this blaster!
Hey, that tickles!
Look out, Gus! Don't let me get you!
Okay, we're good. Next round. That tickled, but now it's time for round 4. You go first.
Which color should I pick now? I think I'll pick purple again. Woo! Yeah!
Okay, my turn. Lucky color, green. Here we go. Ah! Oh no, I lost my lucky color. Oh, what's gonna happen to me now? Oh no, what's going on? Why am I trapped in this Lego fort? Oh no! Ah! It's getting bigger! Ah! What's going on?
You're totally trapped!
Hey! Help! I'm stuck inside here! Somebody, hey!
I'll help you out, Gus.
Wow! Thanks, Combo! That was cool!
No problem, Guster.
Okay, now it's my turn to pick again. Let's see. How about blue?
Oh, yeah!
Hey! Your turn.
Which one should I pick? I'm gonna go orange. Hiya! Yeah!
Hey! Okay. Come on, green. Don't fail me now. Yay!
Hey, hold on! pick it. Oh! Oh, no!
Whoa! I know what this is. Since I won, I get some of your candy.
Oh, no. Not my candy! No, not my candy!
Yum, 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 yum. Mmm, tasty. No, I kind of want to share some of this candy. You can have some of mine.
Oh, thanks, Gus. Yeah, I'm gonna have some
Oh,
gummies.
yeah, get some gummies.
All right. Yum. You're chewy.
I want some gummies. Now I want some Skittles. Yum, 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 yum. Haha, that sure was fun playing the Don't Press the Wrong Button Challenge. Thanks for playing with me, Combo.
No problemo, Gus. I had a blast. Now I'm gonna go home and play some Roblox.
Okay.
Later, little
Bye.
gators.
Thanks for watching, little gators. Bye.
If you had fun today, click my other videos to see me and my yummy gummies. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my yummy gummy adventures.